बाकी दिन के लिए याद दहानी।
For the remainder of the day. For the remainder of the day.
वो इसके ऊपर लपकी।
She crept over him. She crept over him.
तनाव की वजह से वो कालीन पर गिर गया।
He collapsed onto the carpet due to stress. He collapsed onto the carpet due to stress.
मैंने गेट बंद करने की जदोजहद की।
I struggled to pull the gate shut. I struggled to pull the gate shut.
मैं अलार्म लगाना भूल गया।
I forgot to set the alarm. I forgot to set the alarm.
इसने जो गुजरा उसे समझ लिया।
He figured out what took place. He figured out what took place.
वो बिस्तर पर सीधी होकर बैठ गई।
She sat upright in bed. She sat upright in bed.
इन्होंने जो देखा वो बयान किया।
They described what they saw. They described what they saw.
मैं काम में फंस गया।
I got caught up in work. I got caught up in work.
मेरे जाने के बाद मुझे मत ढूंढना।
Don't try to find me after I leave. Don't try to find me after I leave.